fix if your iPhone is charging but the battery percentage is not increasing. So it's actually pretty simple, guys. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so the first step is to obviously change your charging adapter and your USB-C cable if you're on iPhone 15, or if you're on lower devices, just change your iPhone charging cable. So this is the first step. If you have already done that, the second step is to use a surge protector or another socket. If it doesn't work, I have a software fix for you. So all you have to do is just hard reset your iPhone. So if you're on a iPhone X or later device, just click on the volume up button and the lock button for a few seconds, and it will just give you a screen, and then just tap on X and put in your passcode again, or just scan your fingerprint if you're on an older iPhone, and it should fix your problem. It should fix your iPhone charging problem for in most cases. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. I hope this video helps you. If it does, thank